Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the Student of Truth channel. So it's been a little while since I've uploaded, and today I have the inspiration to record a video about the chakras. And my channel is about spiritual things in science and scientific things within spirituality. And it seems to me the chakras, whether it be the main 7 chakras or the others, there's a link there. And I have been recently looking at lectures and material about similar particles in quantum field theory, in quantum mechanics, and how if you exchange particles with each other, sometimes you get symmetry in which the particle is just the same particle, or you get anti-symmetry in which there is a minus sign added with a switch around. And the particles that are completely symmetric, those are bosons. And those particles there can be as many of them as you want, apparently, in the same position state, meaning they're in the same place. With the fermions, the other kind of particle where you get the minus sign, those cannot be in the same space. That's where the Pauli exclusion principle comes from, and that is why matter is how it is, like a solid. That's why you can touch the surface of your table, for instance, and your hand stops there and does not go through the table. That's why it's solid. It is because fermions cannot occupy the same space, so they come up against each other instead of passing through each other. Well, the bosons are different. Like a photon is a boson, and those can be absorbed. We know that when the sun shines on us and we feel the warmth of the sun while we are absorbing those photons. Those photons are occupying the same position as the electrons that are in the atoms and molecules of our body. So we feel the warmth. Well, as far as the chakras, you really can't get a CAT scan of somebody and see them. And yet, I feel they're there. I believe the chakras are there. They have their locations within our bodies. We have, for instance, the heart chakra located in the chest. The chakras are there at the same time as things like the heart and lungs, the trachea, the esophagus. They occupy the same space, and they most certainly have their effects on us. What are the chakras like? I guess in my mind, for instance, the heart chakra, it spins. And if it's a boson, I suspect the heart chakra has an integer spin rather than a half integer spin like what we see with an electron, for instance. All right, so what I would like to share in future videos are things about my personal experience with the chakras. You know, like how my root chakra is associated with my safety, strength, security. The sacral chakra I associate with my creativity, joy, masculine sexual energy, which is creative energy. The solar plexus chakra with effectiveness in life, getting things done. The heart chakra, love and light, affection, romantic sexual energy, romantic love. The throat chakra with expression and wisdom, communication. The third eye with knowing, with receiving information from the universe, connection with other spiritual beings. The crown chakra with the infinite divine consciousness, the connection with all that is. I'd like to go through the chakras, these bosonic entities that spin with integer spin, and talk a little bit more about those in subsequent videos. I'm excited about that, and I will see you there.